Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Ricky Cadan back again with another real life stock review for real life trading in Australia. Hope you guys have absolutely been amazing this month. I know we have. If you take a look at our Slack channel, guys, a lot of people making some huge gains. We've got 3.77R for April here. We've got, oh, Jeremy just finished his 30 miles. Well done. The Calendar Club, 1 mile every mile, including it. Increasing it by 1 mile every day for the whole month. 30 miles on the day. Wow. Well done, Jeremy. Absolutely sensational. Want to give a huge shout out to the Mighty Thor here. 53.7 R's on the month. I mean, guys, that's 50% more of your entire portfolio in 1 month. 13 R's for Russ, 3.7 for Thomas, 14R for myself, 14R for Sybil. I mean, guys, everyone here is just absolutely crushing it. Well done to everyone at the Real Life Trading team. But let's dive into the markets. The SPY, cute little gap down just last night in the evening session. Cute little gap down, was a nice little gap and go. On the 5 minute, you can see not a whole lot really happened. We kind of chopped around before we rolled over, but after hours we are rolling back down. Makes a whole lot of sense, guys. We are on the wave 5, so this is where most people will start to look to take their profits. We've had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave Elliott wave move, and right now we are just having a small cute little pullback. You can take a look at the E-minis. The E-minis has pulled back down to the 10 EMA. Gorgeous pullback yesterday. And one that a lot of people have been watching was Tesla. Now this was just the fade of the day. I mean, it was a retest gap, gapping up over earnings. And as you can see here on the 5 minute, I mean, look at this candle right here. You'd have an entry below here with a stop above here. Take your 2R target. I mean, that was just an absolute sensational play on Tesla. If you did get to catch that, you would have caught it in the morning room. Here's Facebook. Now, Facebook was also a nice little gap. If you take a look at the daily chart, it was also a retest gap, and right now we are currently just retesting. So what I do expect, guys, if you are looking for a nice buy the dip opportunity on Facebook, the high of this particular candle right here, look to buy the dip and take it higher. Looks good on Facebook. Here's a trade that we are in on TUFN. Some people thinking we may not get triggered after a 10% move just yesterday. I did post this in our Slack channel, the Real Life Trading Australia Slack channel just yesterday. You can see that right here. TUFN breaking out. Here's the chart that I said, let's look to buy the dip. So a lot of people are taking advantage of this, and we are dipping. So we'll look to see how that goes over the next week or so. But TUFN does look good for a long. Here's the All Ords. Now the All Ords doing exactly what we thought. Nice little dippage back up to the highs. Now pulling back a little bit. So we'll probably see a little bit more bearish activity probably next week. And then most likely we'll look to bounce. Here's NAB. Not a whole lot happening. Just a little bit more of sideways action with the banks. Very, very sideways, guys. If you are playing the banks, I mean, the best way to play is probably with naked puts. Just look to sell some puts. Take some premium and from the markets until we actually get some sense of direction in the market. Here's CBA, pretty much doing exactly the same thing. So a lot of real life traders are trading CBA. They're looking to, buy the dip, look to buy as low as possible. Shout out to Krishna, mate. You absolutely crushed CBA, and yep, well done to you, mate. BHP, beautiful resistance level right here. Sensational evening star reversal pattern. I mean, it doesn't get much more prettier than that. Comes straight up to a previous resistance level and got rejected. I mean, that has never happened in the past before. But BHP does look to consolidate here, guys. It is going to be very, very choppy in the markets, so just bear that in mind. If you are looking for a nice dip buying opportunity, I mean, $29 wouldn't be too bad, as well as 27 is probably another really great buying opportunity. So you can look to sell some options down at that particular price if you want to get filled on that one. Here's crude oil. Now crude oil having a very cute little bounce right now. Nice little double bottom. breaking above the neckline. So if you're looking to buy the dip, then buy the dip at 16.75 makes the most sense. And here is gold just creating a beautiful little double top right here. Are we going to break lower? Take a look at the shorter term moving averages. We are right at the 20, guys. So we'll just have to wait and see how we pan out on gold. If we start to roll over in the markets, then I would most likely expect gold to start rocket shipping higher back up to the 1800 mark, which we have not been at since, the 2012-ish. So it has been a while. 2012, 2013. Yeah. Makes the most sense if we do bounce and go higher if the market rolls over. Here's the Aussie dollar. Now, this Elliott wave move is very easy to see. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, guys, this is where you want to be taking your profits off the table. So keep that in mind. I have mentioned this the last few reviews that, guys, we are coming up to a resistance level. Get ready to take your profits, and I hope you have been doing so. Right now, just reversing slightly. Beautiful volume on this bearish candle right now. So it is a very key area up at $65. All right, team. That's enough for me. I'll be back next week with another real life stock review. And if you would like to join our trading rooms, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au and you can subscribe and join our trading rooms and get more greatness from yours truly. All right, team. I'll see you next week. Love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.